Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make Mille-Feuille, the French Napoleon pastry with fresh mango and custard cream. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. You may find the full recipe in description underneath the video. Sugar, milk, gelatin, cornstarch, custard powder, egg, and vanilla. Add cold water to gelatin and place in steamy water to melt. Mix 70 grams of milk, custard powder, and cornstarch with 25 grams of sugar and 1 egg together. Whisk until smooth. Heat up the rest of sugar and milk. Add vanilla and cook under low heat until around 80 degrees Celsius. Turn to lowest heat now. Pour the egg mixture in slowly while keep whisking the milk in the pot. Continue to whisk to prevent the mixture from cooking too rapidly, which may result in forming big clumps before the mixture is cold. Turn up the heat a bit and continue to whisk and cook the mixture until it thickens. Add the gelatin water now and mix well. Texture should be like this. Pour out the custard. Let it cool down, then wrap and refrigerate overnight. I prefer to use this kind of frozen puff pastry as it's easy and convenient to use. Defrost in fridge overnight. Unroll the pastry. Gently roll it flat if necessary. Cut the pastry into 9 pieces. Pierce holes on pastry with a fork. Preheat oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Bake at 375 for 5 minutes. Then cover pastry with a piece of parchment paper topped with another baking pan, then bake for another 10 minutes. Remove pastry from oven, then remove the parchment paper and baking pan on top. Sprinkle pastry generously with icing sugar. Bake at 415 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Remove pastry from oven. You can see the pastry is nicely glazed now. Let's prepare the custard cream now. Beat cold whipping cream until firm. Beat to soften the custard. Fold in the custard with the whipping cream and beat briefly to incorporate. Fill a piping bag with the custard cream. Always use a good fruit peeler to peel mangoes. Cut it in half. Cut each half mango into thin slices. Cut some mangoes into cubes. Pipe custard cream onto one small rectangle. place some mango cubes on, followed with another rectangle of pastry on top. Pipe custard cream on again, and some mango cubes. Place another piece of pastry on top. Arrange the mango slices to form a rose on top. Sprinkle with icing sugar. Pretty Napoleon pastry with mango and custard cream is ready to serve. Let's try an easier yet still pretty arrangement of mango slices on top. This pastry is flaky and very delicious. Enjoy!